Hi everyone, my name is Ankush Sir and welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. Today we are with our fourth episode of mock interview related to the Oracle DBA. Along with me, Jitendra is there and he is my student of Oracle DBA class. And we are just discussing about the Oracle DBA interview questions. Again, this is going to be really helpful for the people, those who want to start their career into the Oracle DBA. So let us try to understand about how much he is comfortable with the Oracle DBA concept. And if there is some issues, definitely I'm going to talk about that one also. So hi Jitendra, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm fine. Thank you.
Jitendra, let's discuss about the Oracle DB concept little bit. Okay. Let's start with the Oracle architecture. Okay. So in our Oracle architecture, we have a concept called, we have a background process are there, right? Can
Yes,
you please talk about the background processes?
Yes, sir. Background processes are the mediators of the memories and database, original data files. They provide transfer the files from memory to database, and sometimes it's transfer data from memory.
Now, what are the background processes we have in architecture?
Log writer, DB writer, then
SMON,
SMON, PMON.
checkpoint is there.
Checkpoints, yes.
So what is the importance of this DB writer? What does it does?
DB writer basically write the data from memory to database.
In memory means what portion you are talking about?
Memory means that is the
Database buffer cache?
Yes, database buffer cache, database log buffer, log buffer, and
so basically we have a background process called DB writer.
Yes.
Who is mainly responsible to write down your dirty blocks, which is the part of your database buffer cache. So it will start writing dirty blocks from your database buffer cache to data files. Okay. What is the importance of log writer?
Log writer writes the log buffer data from log buffer to log files.
Redo log
files.
Okay. And so what are the other parameters are available? Let's talk from the storage side. In storage, what we have?
In storage, we have data files, control files, SP files, and password files, and lot of files are there to store the data of data metadata something.
Okay. So what is the size of redo log files? Do you remember?
No, sir.
It's 300 MB, but if you want to increase it, you can increase that one also.
Okay.
Okay. Another thing is like, let's talk about the parameter file.
Okay.
So what are the parameter files we have? SP file.
Sorry, parameter files are SP file and
P file is there.
SP file.
So what is the location of SP file and P file?
DBS location.
DBS location.
Okay. In DBS location, Oracle home DBS location.
Oracle home and
DBS
location. So what does it contain, these parameter files?
Parameter files basically contains the parameters which is important to start the database. It contains the location of physical files and SP files. It is very important to start the database. So
no, what you can say like parameter file contain the parameters of your Oracle database.
Yes.
Okay, through which you can limit to the database. Like let's say we have a parameter called processes is there, sessions are there, then we have DB name is there. These are the parameters are available there.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the next question, what is control file and who store the location of control file?
Control file is actually.
So control file basically manage your databases, like when you do commit and all, okay, that information will be going into the control file. Your checkpoint details, that will also go into the control file. The name of your database, whatever backups you are going to take, all that information will be going into the control files. And who store the location of control file?
SP file.
SP file store the location of control file.
Yes.
Control file store the location of
data files.
Data files and
online redo.
When you start the database, what is the command to start the database?
Startup.
And what are the stages are there?
No mount, and open.
In no mount, which file it is looking for?
SP file.
And mount stage?
Control files and online redo log files.
Now that is required in when you are opening the database.
Sorry, opening. Sorry.
So when you start your database, like there are two type of data, like 𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode is there, no 𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode is there, right? What is 𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode?
𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode, it is basically work when the log files are full. Then it writes the data in the 𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode, 𝐼𝐿𝐷 files.
So does point in time recovery is possible when your database is in no 𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode?
No, sir.
Okay. So basically, if you want to do point in time recovery, your database should be in
𝐼𝐿𝐷 mode.
Is it an online activity or offline activity?
Offline activity, sir.
Offline activity. So how you are going to change your database from no 𝐼𝐿𝐷 to the 𝐼𝐿𝐷? Do you remember that?
No, sir.
You need to shut down the database.
Yes. Shut down the database and in mount stage.
In mount stage, you need to perform that. And you need to set the 𝐼𝐿𝐷 destination also. Okay. So we have like scope equals to SP file, scope equals to memory, scope equals to both. We used to do.
Yes.
When we need to use that?
When the parameters are dynamic.
When you are changing the parameters, that time you need to use that.
Yes, sir.
Scope equals to both means, is it for dynamic or static?
Dynamic, sir.
Is it for dynamic? Okay. Now coming to the backup part, like let's say I want to take the backup of table. So how are you going to take that?
When we have to take a backup of logical files, then we use export 𝑒𝐥BDP and 𝐼MPDP. When we want to back up the physical files, then we use 𝑟man.
𝑟man backup is. So 𝑟man is to take the backup or 𝑟man is to take the do the restoration?
Both, sir.
Both can be done. Yes. What about the export import?
In 𝑒𝐥BDP will export take the backup, and 𝐼MPDP will restore the backups.
So 𝑒𝐥BDP is to take the backup and 𝐼MPDP is for restoration purpose. And what is the importance, like if I want to take the backup of schema, so what is the syntax? Can you just give a little bit idea? 𝑒𝐥BDP is the command to take the backup.
Yes.
Then
𝑒𝐥BDP schema is equal to
schema name. Then dump file
is equal to dump name and dump file .dmp, and then directory, and last one is files, log files.
So when it takes the backup of schema, does it take the backup of all objects under the schema?
Yes.
What does it mean? Like, can you just, let's say you have a schema with the name U1, and under that schema we have 3 tables are there. So does it take the backup of all the 3 tables?
Yes, sir, all tables.
Now if I don't want to take the backup of one table among that, then what you're going to do?
We use include or exclude. When the lot of tables are there, then we can if you want to suppose the example, if you want to take a 100 database backup and there is a 200 database, 105 database, then we can exclude 5 tables, and if we have to take only 5 tables from 100, then we can use include to take a backup.
So along with the schema level backup, you can use the parameter called include or exclude. So that way you can say that which table or object you want to backup and which you want to skip that.
Yes.
So that's more than enough, I think. Again, like a few suggestions, like again, like when you are not going through all the concept, you are not just understanding the concept well, or maybe you have not brushed up the things well. Okay, so that's one problem I would say. Communication, it's okay, but again, like if you go with the concept and try to understand, if you try to do the lot of practice, then the things will be much better. Okay.
Yes.
So overall, it was nice attempt.
Thank you.
So again, guys, like we are also coming with the next mock interview. So you guys can follow us on our YouTube channel and just wait for our next episode. So again, thank you so much for following the YouTube channel, and please do like, subscribe and share this with your friends, family, or those who want to start their career into the DBA side. Thank you.